Welcome to Secure Financial Education. Subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want. This short financial basics video is about making a will. Making a will is the first step in estate planning. Where do you start? You start by making a list of the people and organizations you want to remember in your will. You should want to provide for your dependents first, and then you can get as creative as you wish. You can give items that are meaningful to family members or friends, honor a colleague, or arrange gifts to organizations or charities that you believe in. Prepare the list and include addresses, phone numbers, and social security numbers if you have them. Be accurate. Clearly identify not only people but organizations. Many organizations have similar names, so contact the organizations or charities and get specific information about their identifying names and addresses. You will need to choose an executor or executrix to settle your estate and carry out your wishes. Choose this person or persons with care. You might want to name a family member and a lawyer or a bank or trust company. The executor's role is to file tax returns, invest assets, and setting values and selling property. The job also includes submitting the will for probate, safeguarding assets, paying your debts, and distributing the remainder according to your wishes. The executor is entitled to a reasonable fee from your estate because the job is time-consuming. Your executor should be trustworthy and be able to be impartial to all beneficiaries. Your executor needs to be able to remove personal feelings and do your will says needs to be done. You should name an alternate executor in case the person you name dies before you, and you should ask the person if they are willing and able to accept the responsibility. Now that your decisions are made, the final step is to make an appointment with an attorney and have him write your will according to your wishes. If you haven't written your will, get started today. I hope this video has helped add value to your life. Please share your thoughts below in the comments. Please comment below. Your opinion is important. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want.